Hello. It's been a little while since I've put up a video, but my, I've been busy on this. So the turntable is in, as is the motor and gearbox. The motor's actually poking through the top of the baseboard, but I'll show you that in a second. This is a plastic chain I got off the internet, and some plastic sprockets. This one up here, that one there, is actually it's just an idler, because the chain was either far too slack or far too tight. So it's just got a little bit of leftover shaft going through a little plastic KD block, and it's just an idler, so that'll just freely rotate. But yeah, that's in. Also, I've run the Cat5 cable for all the points, though the point motors are not yet connected. I've run the loop cable, which is going to carry the power of the bus, the DCC power right around the board. It's got various breakout points. It's the blue and the brown cables here. You've got negative and positive going straight through the board, soldered to the track. We've done it in various places. There's another one there, one there, one there. And we've got a few for the little tracks coming off of the turntable there. So yeah, it's coming together. So like, the only thing I've got left to do under here is wiring in the point motors. There's one going here. There's a little cut out of the edge there for the point motor to sit. We've got one's going there. We've got one there, one there, one there. And back up the top, we've got one there labelled number 5, number 6, 7 and 8. They're all ready to be put in and wired up and obviously tested. So I was talking about this this motor that I've stuck through the baseboard. This gearbox kit is actually available on eBay. It's the Expo motorising kit. Primarily people use it for turntables, and mainly these peco turntables. So the idea being you meant to mount it onto the bottom of the turntable or on a bracket or something, but obviously the board I've got is quite narrow. There's not much depth here. So the only way I could see of doing it was to actually mount it flush against the board there with the motor sticking through the bottom of the baseboard. So if I just lower the board down for us, and we'll be able to see it. There we go. Little hook covering the motor there. It was a handy little hook that I just happened to have. It worked quite nicely. Turntable's in. If I just plug this monstrosity of a box in, I can show you it working. If I can plug it in the right way. There we go. So, if I flick the switch that way, got a nice slow rotation, and it'll just run until I let go of the switch. Thankfully it's going slow enough that it's going to be okay to stop it at the right time, give or take. But yes, so that's all working. The track's all in. It's been wired up. So just get in there, you can just see some of the wires there. And we've got some more along here somewhere. I can't see them, they're so small. No, I've lost them down here. Ah, there they are. The plan was to solder them to the fish plates. So I drilled a load of holes on the board there to where the fish plates were, and I was going to solder them to the fish plates. But for some reason, the soldering iron would not solder. The solder wouldn't stick to the fish plates at all. So I had to take a bit of a different tact and solder straight to the track, which worked okay. Even with my puny 18 watt iron, it went on okay. Any of these holes that have left over, it's not a problem because it's going to get ballasted all the way along here. So yeah, it's taking shape. It's not doing too bad. Yeah, that's it for now. All right, bye.